Greetings and welcome back to SmartWatch Tics, a YouTube channel dedicated to all things smartwatches. And we're available at smartwatchtics.com now. That's right, we have an unboxing for you today, something called the TalkBand. What is a TalkBand? A little knobby thing that looks like this. You stick it in your ear, it's like a Bluetooth headset. Only it's also a smartwatch. That's right. This one is called the B3 Plus Bluetooth headset with blood pressure, heart rate, all sorts of good things. Coming to us from Banggood, by the way. You can check the show notes down below for a buying link for this one. It's in coffee, this particular color, which is kind of a gold and brown. Got the basic specs here. It's using Bluetooth 4, so low drainage on your phone when you're using it as well. And it's got support for, like I said, heart rate, blood pressure. It has blood oxygen in it as well. Sleep monitor, pedometer, exercise plans. Man, it sounds like it'd be something really great, doesn't it? Which is why it's really good we're reviewing these things, because I have already opened this up and I have extensively played with it. Let me go over some facts with you. First of all, this cute little band right here. Oh, look at that, popped right out. This cute little band arrives in Chinese, totally in Chinese, and it's not very easy at all to figure out how to change it to English. But I'm going to show you in case you get one of these. The band itself looks like this. It's got two buttons on the side. That's how you eject the module that you can then stick in your ear. Heart rate monitor there. It also goes right through the hole. We've got a little cover on it. Take that off. Okay. And underneath here, hoping that there would be a user's manual, I found a guarantee. Now, take a good look at this guarantee. I really appreciate the nuances of the English language in trying to figure out what odd numbers are, for example. Anyway, you get yourself a little guarantee in Chinese and English, and you have a box with a USB cord in it. I think I saw the manual. Look at that. You plug it in, USB and micro USB, and that's how you charge this up. Is that really a manual? There is a manual. Thank goodness. Okay, we have a manual. This would have helped a lot. I actually looked in there, didn't see that. Here we go. You got the face. You got the side. You got the back. Okay. Take down the main body by pressing those side buttons. We showed you that. Here's the app you got to download to install. There's the QR code to get it. Okay, we're going to check that thing out. And more advanced information about it. And there's some of the screens from the app itself when you get it all tethered up. Maybe it's possible to change the language to English from within the app. I think you got to be able to tether it, though, in order to get to the app. And that's all in Chinese. Kind of a catch-22, if you know what that term means. You're kind of stuck trying to get someplace that you got to get to first by doing something else. Okay, here's some more information. Kind of tiny for me to read on the phone here, so I'm just going to show it to you, but you can freeze frame this. And then the Chinese side. All right, let me show you a couple of things. Just to get you started, in case you get one of these, you press the button on the side and hold it. It'll say welcome, and it's going to boot up. When it does, it gets you to your opening screen, which is basically your time. From the time now, you have a button there, right? And then you have a soft button here. Okay, it's trying to connect because I have already had it Bluetooth connected to my phone. And it doesn't do anything unless, well, there you go. Sometimes you can get it to come up. When you swipe it, it'll go through the pages. You have contacts. See, it's now in English. And you have settings. So that was 2 swipes. You go to the ones with the 4 squares. But you got to be quick, because if it goes back to time, you have to start all over. 1, 2, then go into it. Then you have to hit here. Watch, we're on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is international. Then you touch and you go in here. 1 takes you to language. You touch, and now you go into the languages, and there you'd see the language of your choice. That's all going to be in Chinese when you get this watch. So you got to remember the number of counts to get down there, unless you spend an hour like I did with Google Translator looking at the screen trying to figure all of that out. Okay, I'm going to be right back. We're going to get this whole thing set up and cleared out, and we'll take you further into what this will do. So just like many of the watches we've reviewed, this one uses Fundu, or Fundu Pro. We got to go in here and connect the band, the device. It's called Z28, it says, when you get down to Bluetooth. There's Z28 LTE. Let's try connecting that. We're connected. Okay, it says we're connected. And in so doing, it set the time automatically to the correct time, 3:22, and we're now hooked up, and in English. So the band is ready to go. Now, I'm not going to go through this whole app again and again and again. We've reviewed the app many times. Just know that you can get your step data and your heart rate data, your sleep quality, all sorts of things are available on this app. Blood oxygen, blood pressure, all those kind of things are here. There's other apps or other reviews where we've actually gone into that. I want to focus on this unit here. Most of these that have earbuds on them, when they're in the band like that, as soon as you click them in, it disconnects the Bluetooth and sends you back to your phone, in case you want to be, continuing a phone call or hang up the call or do whatever, as far as Bluetooth tethering for calling. This one, when a call comes in, it's on the phone, okay, when it's ringing, and normally you would pop it out of here, and as soon as you do, it would connect Bluetooth over, and the call would transfer here. It doesn't do that. This is either in there, connected for Bluetooth, and when the call comes in, it immediately starts coming here, or not. When you actually get into some of the other things, the music player, I presume you can play music, and it would be coming out of here. Yeah, you can't hear it, but there's music coming out of there right now because it's Bluetooth connected. But you see, you have to do it all from here where you can see the screen, and then put it up on your ear or in your ear. Oh, and this is really crazy to try to get around on this thing. There's different clocks you can set. And come on back. Press that button. There we go. Settings. We want to get back into the music so I can pause it. But it's playing from the phone to the watch, and you could listen to and pause and play your music if you want to through the earbud. But handling the phone calls is going to be a real challenge to you. So for phone calling, you do have contacts which you can sync with your phone. That's one of the cool things. You can make calls from this. You have your contacts, you can identify them, and you can say call. And without taking your phone out of your pocket, you can initiate a phone call directly from here, knowing that it's already pre-wired and set up for Bluetooth. Once you make the call, you stick it in your ear and you're good to go. That's a good feature. It's more than what some of them will do. When you go through it, there's the Bluetooth setup. You have call logs, and any calls that you've received are in your call logs. You have this remote camera capability. We've demoed that before with the Fundu Pro app. When you go in there, it puts this thing as a remote button, and you can take pictures from your phone, just pointing your phone at things. You don't see the image, of course, on here of what your phone is seeing, but you can use it as a remote button. And You see how challenging it is? You got to swipe just the right way. The camera. Then there's your health area. In here you have heart rate, blood pressure. Oh, there. See, it's attempting to get started and doing blood pressure. Oh, look at that. It's got a reading. Well, or that was the last reading it did, I guess. Okay. I guess we can take a second here and see what we can get for blood pressure. And then it's got blood oxygen as well. And I won't swear by any of those readings, especially 92 over 82. It's just something token that's on the device, but yeah, I wouldn't rely on any of the data. And that's in the health. Come on, back out of here. And then sleep. Whatever you slept last night, your hours and minutes. If you wear the band to bed, it's supposed to capture that for you. Calories burned, and your overall steps from a built-in pedometer, which still reads 0, even though I've been using it a lot, testing it out. And back to your time. With the different screens, pressing and holding doesn't change them. You have to get into settings where you saw that we were able to change the clock display. Your battery power level, and your Bluetooth connectivity or not. And that's it. It's an interesting concept. We've seen a few of these now. And in fact, I got enough that I'm going to do a playlist soon and capture all of these earbud-capable smart bands so you can go through and see what you like. From an appearance point of view, this is an interesting, attractive thing. It's kind of long, kind of thick. From a practicality position, though, we have better ones that can detect when you eject them and activate the connection to your phone and deactivate it when you stick it back in this little holster there. So check it out. See if it's something you might be interested in. It does allow you to make phone calls. You cannot change the volume or anything from the device, but you can use it as an ear extension of your phone. And again, it's called the B3 Plus. It's available to us from Banggood. Check the show notes down below for a discount coupon if we've got it, or definitely the buying link to pop you over there to pick it up. And we'll see you again soon. You're watching SmartWatch Ticks, and appreciate your subscription and hanging in there. All right. So what, Mr. Ticks? Are you just going to leave us wondering about those bands you showed at the beginning? Well, yeah. I'm not sure if I got these because I'm special or if they're going to include them with the package. You're going to have to check and see in the show notes and on the product link. If I find out, we'll tell you. But they're easily interchangeable, it looks like, and it's a whole sports hookup kind of thing like that, and it would change the dressy leather appearance to a much sportier looking smartwatch. Yeah, hope you get them. Hope they come along. If you order this, leave a note down below if you got this extra set of bands. They weren't in the box. They were just floating on the top, which makes me wonder. Anyway, something else to find out about. We'll see you again.